By the way, every big frontier model provider uses them. The other thing that we want to talk about at some other point, Pete, because I know you followed this company, but I'm now working on figuring out how to monetize these agents. And I'm not just talking about the outcome-based delivery. I'm talking
Mhm.
about metering their every single action so that I can tell a customer it took this many token calls, took this many API calls, blah, 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 and we can give them a dashboard to give them all that fidelity. So I'm working with three other companies right now on putting this together so that the agents we build, we hook in with an API, grab all of that data, it then goes into their metering dashboard that can give me all of that fidelity. I saw you like a post from Metronome, and so Metronome is one of the guys I'm speaking to right now. By the way, every big frontier model provider uses them. They just white glove
Right.
everything, and then that's how they're able to tell you in real detail, in real time, what the cost and consumption is. So just like the cloud era, we're moving in that same direction, obviously with all the agentic stuff coming into life. Metronome is helping us price what they would call usage models or usage delivery models. And so these are things that an LLM does to fulfill an action, deliver a task, or whatever. Well, we need to be able to understand how many tokens were used to do that thing. And so you want to quantify that over time with, dozens or hundreds of agents running. Well, that's hard to keep track of from a billing standpoint. Alleviated that problem, and they've streamlined it so that you can have all that information in a dashboard view that you can not only show to your customers, but you know do all of the billing and invoicing for as well. It hooks
Mhm.
into QuickBooks, Stripe, and some other platforms, so it's great for turnkey invoicing operations and all that stuff too. But yeah, I mean, just we're starting to build agents for customers, and so this has become a recurring conversation of how do you know we're pricing effectively, or how do we know you're charging us correctly or not screwing us over, and so we're trying to be transparent about it, and this is one way to be transparent about it.